breaks in calmness as Judge Engoron passed another major verdict on Trump. Please stay tuned and watch till the end. Before we continue, please take a moment and hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for updates. Thanks. Judge Arthur Engoron, who is overseeing proceedings in former President Donald Trump's civil fraud trial in New York, may be considering a harsher than expected penalty for Trump as he prepares to issue a final ruling in the bench trial. The Daily Beast recently reported that Engoron was alarmed by a New York Times article from earlier this month about Allen Weisselberg, who was the former chief financial officer for the Trump Organization, planning to plead guilty to perjury for allegedly lying on the stand. As the presiding magistrate, the trier of fact, and the judge of credibility, I of course want to know whether Mr. Weisselberg is now changing his tune, and whether he is admitting he lied under oath in my courtroom at this trial, Engoron wrote in an email on Monday. I do not want to ignore anything in a case of this magnitude. Engoron added that he may use Weisselberg's alleged perjury as a basis to invoke falsus in uno, in reference to the term falsus in uno, falsus in omnibus, which is Latin for false in one thing, false in everything. This suggests that Engoron may disregard Weisselberg's entire testimony during the civil fraud trial as untruthful and use that to inform his final judgment. New York Attorney General Letitia James is seeking up to $370 million in disgorgement penalties related to Trump allegedly inflating the value of his real estate assets to obtain preferential tax and insurance rates. It also seeks to bar Trump and his adult children from serving as executives at the New York company in the past 5 years. A large fine is almost certain to be imposed, as Engoron has already ruled that Trump committed widespread fraud in financial reports he filed with the state. This decision was later upheld by the New York Court of Appeals. While the final ruling is comprehensive, it will be a significant financial blow to the former president, who has already been ordered to pay $88.3 million in compensatory and punitive damages to author E. Jean Carroll in a defamation case. To appeal a civil judgment in New York, the appellant must deposit the majority of the judgment into an account maintained by the court while the appeal process proceeds. That means if James is ordered to pay the $370 million he's demanding, the former president will be nearly $500 million poorer as he works to raise campaign funds. Trump's lawyers and James's prosecutors were ordered to respond to Engoron's email by 5 p.m. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to comment. Thanks.